Hello, I'm Dr. Bradley Tompkins, Clinical Director at Dr. Brad's Laser and Cosmetic Clinic in Bristol, where we deliver Harley Street standards at Bristol prices. I'm a highly qualified and experienced GP delivering a wide range of premium laser and non-surgical aesthetic treatments to improve your confidence and well-being. I'm registered, I'm regulated and fully insured. I deliver safe and effective treatments at my modern, independent high street clinic. To find out more about me and my clinic, please visit my website at www.drbrad.co.uk. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about PRP mesotherapy hair restoration treatment. PRP injections are a modern non-surgical treatment for hair loss, and a growing body of published peer-reviewed scientific research supports its use and effectiveness. Treatments work best for male pattern hair loss, female pattern hair loss, alopecia areata, and may also be useful in telogen effluvium. Patients who have received a surgical hair transplant can also benefit from this scalp PRP treatment with me to potentially enhance the strength and survivability of their follicular grafts. Indeed, I often treat patients who've received a recommendation from their hair transplant surgeon to undergo this PRP treatment before and after their surgery. So initially, a doctor with an interest in the scalp and hair loss, such as myself, should diagnose the cause of your hair loss. In clinical practice and in research studies, PRP injections have been scientifically shown to produce clinically and statistically significant improvements in subjective and objective hair growth and quality for the majority of patients. Although this must be caveated with the statement that treatment success, as with many things in medicine, can never be 100% guaranteed. Now let's talk about platelets and my PRP system. Platelets are the blood cells that are responsible for healing and tissue repair. Using the advanced Selenis Tropocells PRP preparation system, I draw a small 22 ml blood sample from your arm before processing it in the official Selenis centrifuge and patented thixotropic gel separation system to produce a highly pure PRP ready for use in your treatment. Just one 10-minute hard spin and the product is ready without any outdated requirement to activate the PRP by adding extra chemicals to it. The second step disc filtration system all but eliminates any undesirable stray red or white cells from the preparation. This modern system is entirely closed and no fuss, making it essentially impossible to accidentally contaminate your PRP before I administer it. The market-leading Selenis system can achieve platelet concentrations 10 times that of your normal blood, and I believe it to be far superior to the 30 or so other competing PRP separation systems on the market. In just one typical treatment session, I might typically inject between 3.2 and 6.4 billion live platelet cells into your scalp. It's important to note that in addition to competent and appropriate patient selection, the success of PRP treatment is both technology dependent and technique dependent. For starters, I've got the best technology in the Selenis system. I'm also highly skilled in the safe and accurate administration of PRP injections, which is not something for novice injectors. I use very thin specialist needles for accuracy of injection and for your comfort. Now, before your treatment, you'll be asked to have washed your hair before you attend for your treatment. I'll take clinical photographs before numbing up the area with local anaesthetic, either topical creams or injections as required. This will depend on how much hair is in place, your previous experiences, and your individual preferences. And the area will be thoroughly cleaned with antiseptic. Please visit my website in the link at this description below for further details about my triple whammy hair restoration regimen and other things that you can do to enhance your treatment. 3 treatments, spaced about a month apart, are recommended for your initial course of treatment, and there are savings in my clinic when you purchase a course of treatment up front. As mentioned earlier, you can have confidence that this treatment has been the subject of published scientific investigation and research, so it's not a case of you needing to conduct your own informal experiments to see if it works. You can go ahead and purchase your course of treatment with confidence. So as you've seen, PRP hair restoration is a safe and effective treatment when undertaken by an expert practitioner on an appropriately selected patient. As mentioned earlier, to learn more about this treatment, including the details of my triple whammy hair restoration regime, please click the link to the relevant webpage in the video description below. Now, if you're ready to book in with me for your initial consultation, please call my secretary now on 07588 971 425, and I look forward to welcoming you to my laser and cosmetic clinic very soon.